Hello everyone, this is Mustafa Mahmoud and I hope you like the Wordfast in 30 minutes tutorials that went live a couple of days ago. I hope you now have a basic grasp of what Wordfast is and what's translation memory and the difference with machine translation. In this video and a couple ones to come inshallah, I'm gonna show you the ropes of some advanced features of Wordfast. This time I'm gonna kick off with how to check the spelling of a translation. Click on this icon to bring in the preferences window and move to spelling section. You can either choose the Handspell spell checker or the Microsoft Office spell check. The Microsoft Office spell check feature depends on how you configured it in Microsoft Office. And for Handspell, here are the available languages. You can choose any languages while in retrospect you can choose any languages while installing the software. But one drawback of Handspell is that whenever a word is latched to a comma, it marks it as a mistake. So yeah, and you can choose whether to enable or disable the spell checking, or if you prefer to check the spelling as you type. Click on OK, and to check the spelling of your translation, click on this icon, the ABC icon, or from the keyboard shortcut function 7 key, or from the menus translation edit menu, and then spell check. Wordfast brings the words that it thinks that Handspell thinks are wrong, and the Handspell spell checker highlight the words with a zigzag red line, like what happens in Microsoft Words. But sometimes, and for unknown reasons, Wordfast is not able to check spelling, or the feature is just lagging. In this case, you have to work around it. Simply click on Window and Show View, and then Preview in Microsoft Word, or Ctrl-Alt-P from the keyboard shortcuts. Simply preview the file in Microsoft Word and check the spelling there and correct it if required. In Wordfast, then save your file. And it's the function 7 key also as well. Yeah. Another handy feature of Wordfast is you can choose to edit the source text. As we said in a previous video, the source text is by default protected against editing, but you can choose, right click on the desired segment and choose edit source. Yeah, and then click OK. The last thing we will be talking about in this video is the feature of integration of machine translation service by a third party within Wordfast. As we said earlier, Wordfast is not an automated machine software or program, but click on the edit menu and then preferences, move to the machine translation section. You can choose the behavior of your MT feature, whether to always perform a machine translation, or perform it when it can't find a match within the TM, or perform it manually. And you have three service providers: the Google Translate, and beware that it is a paid service because you have to buy to get an API key, or a Microsoft Translate. You have to get a client ID and a secret and a client secret. I think it's free, but it's just a matter of a subscription, or you have to sign up with them. But you can check with the Microsoft Translator website. And the Wordlingo, which is free, and yeah, it's a modest one. It's not very good, but if you think in a machine translation with a machine translation mind, you can choose it. And you can test the language pairs. They are valid because they are English and Arabic, and here are the list of all available languages. It's not a very comprehensive list of languages, but at least it has it has the most popular languages in the world. Click on OK, and then for example we want to machine translate this segment. Right click on it and then choose machine translation.